Greetings everyone, Joseph James here from SchoolOfTrade.com with your term and quiz of the day. Here, simple, there's going to be a quiz at the end of this video. We'll talk about an important topic we talk about in the trade room every day. If you know the answer to the quiz, just simply click on the link right below the video that says I know the answer. It will take you to our blog, and of course you can post the answer on our blog. The first 5 correct answers, got to be correct of course, the first 5 correct answers are going to qualify for free beginners courses. Up to 20% off the advanced course. We give away optical mouse, flat screen monitors, all kinds of prizes, guys. The raffle is done in the middle of every month. So the next raffle will be about April 15th, April 25th, and the rules are posted in the description on the YouTube video. On the blog, you can also get the rules as well. If you have any questions, guys, sales@schooloftrade.com, and they'll give you guys all the information about how to participate in the raffles and the quizzes. All right, here's the term of the day. Term of the day today is high profile level. Now, this is one of my favorite terms because this is when we really start looking at the experience in our trading kicking into play. Now, what's a high profile level? A high profile level is an ordinary support and resistance level, but it's a little bit more important, right? It has the most consistency among traders of all trading types. Okay, it has the most consistent results. Example would be the high of day or the low of day, right? Great example of a high profile level. The high of day, low of day is more important than, say, a market profile value area. Okay, it's more important than, say, a moving average because everyone has the same value on their charts, right? That's why we call it high profile. In other words, right, we believe in this thing called a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more people watch, the more we would have to respect it. The more we respect it, the more people watch it, right? Well, a high profile level kind of compounds that, right, self-fulfilling prophecy because everyone has the same level, right? You have the same high of day as I do, as a pit trader, as a scalper, as a swing trader, right? Someone who's trading completely differently than you are will still have the same high of day, low of day. Okay, so everyone has the same value each day. Okay, now there are some levels, right? They're not all created equal. Some levels are better than others. Okay, now I don't trust any support and resistance levels that require calculation. Okay, I don't trust them. If it requires a calculation, that means A, a human being could use them wrong, right? B, there might be more than one calculation. And C, right, the simple fact it's a calculation means, right, that everyone has a chance to have different levels. Okay, so what are some examples of some support and resistance levels that have a calculation? Market profile, right? 70% of the volume from yesterday. Pivot points, right? Open, high, low, close, divide by 2. Fibonacci levels, right? Take the high, take the low, 61.8 retracement. Moving averages, right? Taking all the price action and then smoothing it with an exponential or a simple moving average. Okay, so support versus levels that require calculation, I don't trust them. Okay, what about support versus levels that require discretion? Okay, how about trend lines? Andrews Pitchfork, Elliott Wave, right? There's lots of different support and resistance levels out there that require me to go in and actually place them. Well, if I'm responsible for drawing trend lines, I'm a human being. I make mistakes all the time, right? It's what we do as human beings. Okay, so is it possible for me to put that trend line in the wrong place? Absolutely. So if I have 1 million traders out there, right, and half of them are doing them correctly and half of them are doing them incorrectly, then that means, right, this is not a high profile level. I want everybody to be focused on the same price level to qualify as a high profile level. Okay, we talk about the self-fulfilling prophecy, right? Self-fulfilling prophecy. Okay, you must watch these levels, right? People know that other people are watching those levels too, right? The more they watch them, the more you have to watch them. The more you watch them, the more they hold, the more they hold, the more people watch them, the more they watch them, the more they hold, right? It just keeps snowballing. Okay, that's how support and resistance levels are built, right? That's how they're created. For example, a psychological level like 3,500 on the euro, right? Big round number like $80 even on crude oil. Okay, there's nothing there. It's just a psychological level. But because you and I think there's something there, that means that other traders should as well, and price stalls at that high. We see it stall, and we go, boy, I'll bet something's there. We should probably sell right there, right? So that's how the self-fulfilling prophecy starts. The more people watching the levels, the stronger and the more consistent they become. Don't waste your hard-earned profits and your time with anything else besides the best levels, right? Are you going to waste your time on a calculation level that may or may not hold? or are you going to focus on the high profile levels that always hold, right? They're stronger. There's more people watching them, and they're more consistent. All right. Now, a good example, obviously, of how we look for high profile levels is using our auto levels indicator, right? So you're probably saying, okay, Joe, I know what you're talking about now, right? High profile levels are the levels that the most people are watching. How do I find them? Well, of course, we talked about the high of day, low of day already. That's pretty easy. Okay, what about, of course, major swing highs, swing lows, weekly highs, weekly lows? Okay, some other things, obviously, all of them are found with the auto levels indicator. Okay, now we have a special indicator called the auto levels that locates all the best support and resistance levels. These are high profile levels. It saves them, it labels them, and it actually moves them onto your fast time frame so you can use them on a much faster speed market and take the trades there. Okay, so it's available open code to lifetime members. It's used on a fast time frame to see potential trading opportunities. And of course, it will locate all those high profile levels for you automatically. The best part is, as an advanced lifetime member, no monthly fees, you own this indicator. All right, quiz time. Quiz time, talking about high profile levels. A good example of a high profile support versus level is what? Is it a market profile value area? Is it a high of day or a low of day? Or is it a moving average, right? We just went over it. A good example, right? Good example of a high profile support and resistance level. Remember, high profile, that's where all the eyeballs are focused on one level, right? No calculations, no discretion. Everybody has the same level on their chart, no matter what type of trader they are. Okay, what's a good example of that? Market profile value area? Is it the high of day, low of day? Or maybe the moving averages? All right, know the answer? Do you know the answer? I do. Maybe you should go back, scroll back in the video, see what the answer was. If you know the answer, guys, it's very simple. You might qualify for a free beginner's course, up to 20% off the advanced course, and all you have to do is simply click the link below this video right now and post the answer. Got to be the first 5 to post, though, to qualify, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the live trade room at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Have a great day. Good luck on the quiz. Keep entering for that raffle. We're going to be raffling off thousands of free stuff here, guys, in a couple of weeks. And don't forget, for more information, drop us an email, sales@schooloftrade.com. My name is Joseph James from schooloftrade.com. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye for now.